purpose of this video is to go over Module 4, the final module of the course, Diversity and You. I think this module is fairly straightforward, but there's a lot of moving parts, so let's try to go over it as simply as possible. The Starting Here page is pretty comprehensive. You can see that there's a number of learning outcomes that are embedded in this module. Students will understand how Georgia is becoming increasingly diverse. Students will have a greater understanding of the diversity of Coffee County compared to Georgia generally, and how Georgia compares to the United States. According to the UGA statistical group, Georgia is becoming the new California. I don't think students appreciate this or understand it, is what I'm saying. So we will be looking at a number of documents, including South Georgia State College's own commitment to diversity, as well as that of the University System of Georgia. And students will have an opportunity to create a YouTube diversity video on a site called Storify. And you will need to understand how to create a Storify video as well. And they will then submit their Storify URL to a quiz box. It's a quiz. You'll have to open it up for them, just like you would have to open up any other quiz. And there's a link here for information on how to create a Storify presentation. So let me put in a few words what this is all about, this Storify presentation. Basically, what the students need to do is to go to YouTube, find a short video on some topic related to diversity, for example, Hispanics in Georgia, or Hispanics in America, or hearing disability, or learning disability, or just about anything. And they need to explain how the video reflects or emulates or embodies the diversity position of South Georgia State College. It's something that would inspire them, something they're interested in. And they need to explain how this video helps them understand or is reflected by the position on diversity of either the college or the University System of Georgia. And a couple of the handouts in the list of documents for this module are the position statements on diversity of both South Georgia State College, which includes the mission statement, and the University System of Georgia, or rather, the SAC-COC statement on diversity. I should have said SAC-COC statement on diversity rather than the University of Georgia. So Storify is simply a way to curate YouTube videos. So in other words, when you go to Storify and the video here, well, let's see, the video here, which you can open up here, is a video that I created. And this video, if you play it, will show you how to create a Storify story on Storify. It's very simple. And that's probably the next thing you should do. You should probably close this video and play this video. And in that way, you'll learn what it is all about. Let me close this. So the students would do well to look at these handouts and to go over this video on how to create a Storify presentation, and then they'll get a better sense of what's expected of them. Now in class, you will have to go over this PowerPoint video with the students, and you can, although it's not in the form of PowerPoint, you can enlarge it so that they can see what the videos or what the slides say and look like. And it talks about the diversity of Georgia in relation to the rest of the country, And it also talks about Coffee County, as you can see here. Coffee County is also exemplified. So this is what you give to the students in class. And between classes 13 and 14, after they've seen this slideshow, and you can give it to them out of class, they will take a diversity multiple choice exam on Georgia View. And here's the link to the exam. This will test them on the first 2 SLOs for this module. It's worth 5% of the student's grade for the course. In addition, between class 13 and 14, students will post their Storify URL, which is simply a URL to a Storify video. What this is, again, is it's a selection by them of a YouTube video, which you can play in the Storify frame. And then there's a caption box beneath the video where they will write a statement explaining why this diversity issue is important to them, along with a brief description in the form of a caption of how this video aligns with either the SGSC mission statement or the SAC COC statement on diversity. So they will be graded on this caption that they write. A caption is a paragraph. All they have to do is select a video, present it in the Storify frame, and include a caption doing what I just said, explaining the alignment of the video to these 2 documents. And their grade will be based on the logic of their caption. And there's further explanation here. This is only worth 5% of the student's grade in the course, but it's another way to achieve the learning outcome. And again, here's another link to that video, how to create a Storify presentation. So that's Module 4, the final module of our course, Diversity and You.